Welcome to the Daily Nature Session. I'm glad you've taken this moment for yourself today. Life can get busy, but carving out time to breathe and reset is so important. I hope today's session brings you a sense of calm and helps you feel more grounded as you go about your day. Let's start by getting comfortable. You can sit, lie down, or even stand, whatever feels best for you. Take a moment to let your body settle. If you're comfortable, close your eyes or just look softly at one spot. Take a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs. Hold it for a moment. Then let it out slowly through your mouth. Let's do that again. Breathe in deeply and let it out nice and slow. Keep breathing at your own pace now. Pay attention to how your breath feels as it moves in and out. You don't need to force it. Just notice. If your mind starts to wander, that's totally normal. Gently bring your focus back to your breathing. With each breath out, try to let go of any tightness in your body. Relax your forehead, unclench your jaw, and let your hands rest. There's nothing you need to do right now. Just breathe. Take a few more breaths like this, letting your body and mind settle. When you're ready, we'll head to a special place together. Now, imagine yourself lying on a soft, grassy meadow. The grass beneath you feels cool and slightly springy, supporting your body comfortably. A large tree stands nearby, its branches swaying gently in the breeze. You're stretched out in the open, gazing up at the vast sky above. It's a perfect shade of blue, dotted with soft, fluffy clouds slowly drifting by. As you lay there, notice the warmth of the sun on your skin. It's gentle, not too hot, just enough to make you feel cozy. The soft rustle of leaves and the distant chirping of birds create a soothing background. The air carries a subtle scent of wild flowers, fresh and sweet, and the breeze brushes lightly across your face, as if nature itself is welcoming you. Turn your attention to the clouds above. One drifts slowly into view, and you can't help but notice its unique shape. Perhaps it looks like a sailboat, gliding smoothly across an ocean of sky. Another cloud follows. A rabbit, its long ears upright and edges glowing softly in the sunlight, as if it's quietly hopping across the sky. Watch as the clouds shift and change, merging and breaking apart, always moving, yet completely at peace. As you focus on the sky, your breathing naturally slows. Inhale deeply and feel the clean, crisp air fill your lungs. Exhale and let your thoughts float away, just like the clouds. Each one that drifts past carries away a piece of stress, leaving you lighter, more present. After a while, something small and delightful happens. A group of birds suddenly swoops across the sky. They move in perfect harmony, darting and turning as though they share one mind. Their movement is graceful, almost like a dance, and it draws your full attention. You watch until they disappear into the horizon, their journey a reminder of the beauty and simplicity. Another moment catches your eye. A single tiny white cloud forms right before you. It's small and almost perfectly round, like a puff of cotton. As it drifts slowly, you notice its edges growing softer, spreading out until it gently dissolves into the blue. The entire process feels peaceful, unhurried, and natural. Stay here for a little while longer, simply observing. Feel the stillness of your body, the calmness of your mind, and the steady rhythm of nature all around you. There's no need to rush or think. Just be present under the endless sky, watching the clouds pass by, one breath at a time. As you lie under the open sky, watching the clouds drift by, let this thought settle in your mind. Life is like these clouds. Each moment, each worry, and each thought comes and goes, just as the clouds pass across the sky. Some are heavy and full, while others are light and barely there, but none of them stay forever. We often hold on to our thoughts and worries, carrying them with us long after they've served their purpose. But just as the wind moves the clouds along, we too can let go of what no longer serves us. Imagine placing any heavy feelings or lingering worries onto one of those clouds. Watch as it carries them away, growing smaller and smaller until it disappears entirely. Letting go doesn't mean forgetting or ignoring. It means freeing yourself from the weight of things you cannot control. It's about trusting that, just like the clouds, life will continue to move forward, creating space for new moments, new experiences, and new joys. Take a moment now to rest in this sense of freedom. Feel the lightness in your heart and mind as you let go, just for this moment. Listen to the gentle rustling of the breeze and the sounds of the meadow around you. Let nature remind you that it's okay to release and simply be. As we come to the end of today's session, take a few deep breaths. Inhale deeply, feeling the calm and lightness you've created, and exhale slowly, letting it settle within you. One more deep breath in and out. Thank you for taking this time for yourself today. I hope this session has helped you feel calmer, lighter, and more connected. Remember, You can always return to this meadow, this sky, and this feeling of ease whenever you need it. When you're ready, gently bring your awareness back to the present. Open your eyes if they've been closed, stretch if it feels good, and take a moment to notice how you feel. I look forward to seeing you in tomorrow's session. Until then, have a peaceful and wonderful day.